remember all that crack with playing Zoom concerts and playing into your laptop, and that was head-wrecking.
It's incredible to be asked to come up to such a prestigious festival. Like, this is a really well-known festival.
I'm completely in love with the music that I get to play and creating art and collaborating, and a very, very grateful person at the moment to be getting to do this again.
For me, it's really about connecting with people through music. We relate through stories and song, and which is why the past 2 years have been so incredibly difficult.
Let me tell ya, 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 Caronia, I'm coming home.
It is hard to find songs from Ireland that feature a woman as a protagonist, or is from a woman's point of view where she's not just a romantic object. So we are always on the lookout for songs that feature women in strong roles.
There'll always be a big element of folk music that's raw. I think as we move on, what we see is folk music, rather than being a large collective term in itself, has lots and lots of little silos and pigeonholes in it. And certain styles will be more contemporary, and certain styles will be more traditional, and certain will be more polished, and some will be more raw.
Geordie had a unique, indelible impression that he left on those in his company, clearly, and those musicians influenced by him clearly hold him, and rightly so, in the highest esteem.
If fortune ever does favour me, or I do have money in store, I'll go home and I'll wed the wee girl that I left on Paddy's Green Shamrock Shore.
Just 3 miles from Derry to the bridge at Drummahoe, and it's there I spent some happy days in the days of long ago, where the lads do sport, the fair maids a court, and the small fish gently glide. In the blooming spring, the small birds sing along.
Most traditional singers will sing songs from their own area, because obviously as musicians we can travel the world and get to see lots of places, but it's nice to be able to share a bit of home with an audience abroad.
There's a lot of people my age and younger that are drawn to this type of music, and a lot of people doing it now as a career, and also a huge amount of people who just love it and aren't doing it as a career that are incredible musicians and composers and keeping the tradition alive.
One evening as I walk it down by a green bush, I heard 2 birds whistling. 'Twas a blackbird and thrush.
We try to kind of
bring back songs that were collected around Inishowen or composed in Inishowen. We were both brought up through Inishowen Traditional Music Project, which had a big influence on us. So there is a huge bank of music.
Oh, I'm feeling like this, I'm feeling like this, and hold up your head, child, this will pass. Hold up your head, child, this will pass.
I suppose we've kind of merged a little bit. We try to merge the two styles a bit now and meet somewhere in the middle.
I play my music and you play your music, and we bend to each other in that way, and we keep the two things going.
Marriage is all about compromise.
This is it, the big scene.